Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. We have two rooks and a queen, and we can win this in two moves, right? It's basically mate in two. So that is the challenge, and black's pawn is going downward in this direction. So as always guys, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the rocks are steering each others, and we can simply capture this, but that takes a long time to checkmate the black king, right? This is actually winning, but we have to make a lot of moves, and that is not the challenge of this puzzle, right? Taking with this rook, similar result. So the rocks are placed exactly fine. I mean, we can just leave them, and you may probably think the idea of playing queen to d5, that looks nice because we are threatening checkmate on g8. Not only that, if this rook moves anywhere, like anywhere in this diagonal, we are going to capture it and deliver a checkmate, right? So it doesn't matter where the rook moves, we simply capture the rook, and that simply is checkmate. And if this rook moves anywhere in this diagonal, like capturing this, we would capture the rook back, and that is also checkmate, right? This looks the solution at first, but this is not the solution, because black would play the only move that prevent us to checkmate in two moves in this position, and that move is rook to h6 check. So now it looks like we have to move the king, or we have to capture black's rook, and definitely this is not mate in 2, right? This is mate in 3, and still we didn't solve the problem, right? So this move is not the best move, I mean the correct move. It is close to the correct move, but it is not. The correct move is to play queen to a1, and now we are defending both rooks, and we are pinning the pawn, right? So the pawn cannot move in this position. If black captures, we captures back, and this is going to be checkmate. And the previous trick where black can play rook to h6 doesn't work anymore, because we simply capture that and deliver a checkmate. This time the pawn cannot capture back because it's pinned, right? So this is the solution of the puzzle. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.